Welcome everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to DIY Himeli geometric sculpture. But before we do that, I want to show you something. My bundle of flowers. Yes, I just got my bundle of flowers. They are artificial, but they are just so pretty, and that's what you saw in the video, in the preceding part of this video. So I'm going to place it by the side so you can stare at it all through this video. So what you're going to need for today's tutorial, you're going to need a pair of scissors, and you are going to need twine. I recommend you get this specific type of twine because it is just perfect for the tutorial that we're going to need. It is stable enough for use, and the mouth, you don't need to thread it or anything. The mouth just comes perfectly. Apart from that, we are going to need our straw. You can use any type of straw, the paper straw or this particular type of straw will work just fine. And you need your ruler because you're going to be measuring. So let's begin. So we are going to be doing two different types of sculpture. We're going to do the pyramid and we're going to do the hexagon pyramid. So what you're going to do is to take out your straw, and for the first set, which is a pyramid, we are going to be working with different lengths. I just want you to follow through this video step by step. It might look a bit confusing if you skip a particular step, so follow through please. So we are going to start with the first length, which is 18 centimeters. So we're going to measure 18 centimeters and cut our straw to that specific length, 18 centimeters. Now we are going to be needing 4 of these 18 centimeters because we want to achieve the pyramid shape. After cutting 4 pieces, you take the leftovers because we are going to be cutting another length, which is 13 centimeters because we want to form a pyramid. So obviously the base is going to be shorter than the height. Now you can vary the height to whatever you feel is comfortable for you. You can go above 15 centimeters for the first part. You can decide to do 20 depending on what you want. But for the base also, you can also vary it depending on what you want. But in today's tutorial, I chose 13 centimeters to work with. And I'm also going to need 4 pieces of this 13 centimeters. So now I'm going to cut my twine, and after cutting it, what I cut was a bit too long, so I'm going to trim it. Now I'm going to take the 15 centimeter one and thread the twine through it. Now remember, we're trying to achieve a pyramid which consists of 3 triangles. Therefore, the base of a triangle is going to be shorter than the height of a triangle. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in 2 15s and 1 13. So the first is going to be a 15, the second is going to be a 13 centimeter, and the third one is going to be another 15 centimeter. And there we have our first triangle. Now I'm going to interchange the thread. Instead of tying it, I will interchange it. I will push it through. Now we are going to be needing 4 of these. Is it 4 or 3? Sorry, 3 of these to form your pyramid. So I'm just going to tie it off. So I'm taking the 15 centimeter one again and I'm passing it through the top. What you want to do, what you want to achieve is to have 3 triangles sitting side by side. 3 triangles sitting side by side. So the 13 centimeter ones are going on the same line. If you see here, it's still on the same line as the first. And I'm bringing down my 15 centimeters. So by the time I pull them together, it's another triangle being formed. Now by the time you sit the 3 triangles, you realize that there is one more link missing, which is the 13 centimeter link. So in the actual sense, you actually need just 3 18 centimeters, 15 centimeters rather, and 4 13 centimeter straws. So this is the final step where I'm going to put the 13 centimeter and use it as a connector between the first triangle and the third triangle. I hope to God I am not talking above your head. I hope you understand. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment, and please kindly turn off the notification bell so that you can be notified by YouTube whenever a new video is released. Please don't forget to comment in the comment box and let me know if you understand. There are more complex designs to do, but I will not be showing you that in the course of this video. What I'm going to do is to spray this particular one with pink, which is what you saw at the beginning of the video. Now, I told you that I was going to teach you how to make the pentagonal pyramid, but I will not be doing that in the course of this video because time is fast spent. But if you want to learn how to make this particular one, which is the pyramidal one, the pentagon pyramid, you can just drop a comment below and I would post another video at another time. Oh, guys, I'm going to announce the winners right now. The winners of last week's giveaway. So we have, well, as at the time of recording this video, we have just two winners. Two. Y'all don't like giveaways because I'm not giving away 1,000 US dollars. Don't worry, don't despise the days of little beginnings. One day I'll be able to give up that much, okay? But anyways, thank you for participating. The winners are in the slide next. Today's video. I'll see you next Thursday for another episode. And while we're waiting for this video to end, I just want to show you my pretty face.